Hi! Today, I'll be showing you how to use the savings calculator on the Echo website, so you can see just how much you could potentially save over the next 10 years. Once you've logged in, click Get Your Share from the home screen menu. On the next page, scroll down to the Echo Savings Calculator. Here, you'll need to add in the frequency and average spend of your use for each lifestyle benefit by clicking on the relevant drop-down menus and selecting the options that suit you. Lifestyle benefits include eating out at amazing restaurants, enjoying delicious coffee, treating yourself to decadent spa treatments, enjoying movies with family and friends, getting away on short, major, and overseas holidays, as well as those cruises. Once completed, click the Calculate Savings button below. As you can see, your potential savings are huge over the next 10 years.